Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to clone part of an image in Photoshop. For two way, I apply first way. Select any selection tool. Use rectangular marquee tool example and use this. Press Ctrl Z. This duplicate layer. Press Ctrl T. Right click. Flip horizontal. Then place it. Use eraser tool. Right click. Use this hardness opacity 15%. Then click. And another way, right click and find clone tool. Use this clone tool. Right click on your mouse, clone stem tool, then copy anywhere, hold Alt R and copy this, then place it. That's it. Again hold Alt R and opacity, again hold Alt R, sorry, hold Alt R, opacity 100% or 50% as you use. I place it here. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.